Hello, I am Lakeisha Gibson, and I'm a member of the MVLS paralegal team. The paralegal team is the group responsible for completing your intake when you call in on the telephone to see if you qualify. We review your application, and we are ultimately the ones that are reaching out to volunteer attorneys to find someone to represent you. So today I wanted to talk a little about what you can expect after your case has been accepted for a placement with a volunteer. The first thing that you can expect is to receive a case acceptance letter. This letter will pretty much notify you that your case has been accepted and that we've started the process of looking for an attorney. This means that our paralegal team is calling, emailing, and reaching out to our volunteers to see if they may be available to assist you. We also list a summary of your case on our pro bono portal, which volunteers all over the state can access at any time to review a list of available cases. And if they're interested in your case, then they would reach out to us to get more information. There are a few important details in the acceptance letter that you need to look out for. The first thing to know is that we have a general window of 30 days to place your case. While we do try our best to place every client within 30 days or less, our placements are largely based on our volunteers' availability. And so that means that sometimes it can take a little longer than 30 days to place your case, sometimes up to a few months. And unfortunately, we cannot guarantee placements. Another thing to look out for is the section that tells you that you need to be gathering any important documents regarding your case that you haven't provided to MVLS already. So that may be newly filed court documents, any fees that may be associated with your case. For example, there's a bankruptcy filing fee that we notify you of in the letter. And then, any documents you may have supporting your claim, such as receipts, letters from the opposing party, etc. This is also the time that you want to notify us if there have been any changes in your household or income, or if the status of your case has changed, any new court dates, or if you no longer need representation. Now is the time to reach out and let us know. Outside of that, you can also request a postponement. We actually encourage you to request a postponement if you have a court date approaching within the next 45 days. You want to reach out to the courthouse where your case is filed and find out what their procedure is, and then follow that. If you get a new court date, please notify us as soon as possible, and we'll do our best to try to find an attorney to represent you at that date. If not, please still let us know, and we'll do our best to stick to the original date you gave us. During the process of seeking an attorney, we unfortunately can't provide any legal advice, so we give you a resource list with some other programs that do provide legal advice. And then there's also the phone numbers for the lawyer referral service in your county. So this is where you want to refer if you have legal questions while you're waiting. And then lastly, you can always go and check your case status online through our website. You just go onto the main page, go under the Get Legal Help tab, and there's a section for checking your case status. And there's also a section where you can update us on any changes to your contact information, such as your address or phone number, or if you have an important update that you need to let us know about regarding your case. Once your case has been placed, we will then send you a letter with your attorney's name and contact information. This will let you know that you have 5 business days to contact the attorney. If you don't receive an answer right away, that's okay. Just leave a message. Allow the attorney 2 to 3 days to return your call. If you still don't hear from them, we normally suggest you try calling a second time, leave a second message, and then after that, if you still don't hear back, then you want to reach out to the paralegal, who is also listed on that letter with your attorney's name and contact information. So that is pretty much what you can expect after your case has been accepted.